Hey y'all, so let's get into this beautiful burgundy kinky curly lace frontal wig from Asteria Hair. This is their 13x4 curly lace frontal wig, and this is what the inside of the wig looks like. So you get 4 inches of parting space on this type of wig, and then you get 13 inches of lace from ear to ear. And as you can see, the lace is pretty light, but I am going to finesse this wig. So this is going to be more like a transformation wig video. So real quick, this is what the hairline on this wig looks like. I did go in and pluck the lace, and I also went in and bleached the knots on this wig because I just didn't want to risk the chance of having any type of dark knots on this wig. So first off, let me just say this. The texture of this wig is so pretty, and I love how full it is. Now, I did go in and overpluck a lot in the front, but I'm going to show you guys how I fixed that a little later in the video. So right now my main focus is going to be securing the wig down because the wig is a little too big for my head. So I am going to be using, of course, the Got to Be Glued spray, because you guys know I don't use any type of glue to secure my wig down. So I'm going to just focus in on the hairline, get this wig to fit my head, and try to get a cute look with this wig. Honestly, I know I was complaining about the lace being too light in the beginning of the video, but I can appreciate the lace being too light instead of being too dark, because now I have the opportunity to go in and fix the lace where it is too light. But as you can see, the baby hair swooped right on into the lace, and I was able to fix the overplucked hairline by just not taking out so much hair in the front for the baby hairs. And of course, I went in with a curling iron, or a flat iron I should say, to curl my baby hairs, just to help with the baby hair swooping into the wig. I love this technique. I've talked about it on my last couple of videos on just how much I love it and how much easier it is to swoop in the baby hairs on your wig. Oh, y'all, this turned out to be a really cute wig, and just look how juicy and defined these curls are. And also, I did not get any type of bleeding on my hands when I was wetting this hair and adding product, so that is great. So this is what the hair looks like when it is completely dry. The curls are so beautiful, and look at how the lace is now compared to how it was earlier in the video when it was way too light. So I'll make sure I have all the tea below on Asteria Hair so you guys can check out this wig in case you want to purchase a burgundy curly wig. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.